Do you want to know the most dangerous compound? So yes, this video is for you. It appears as a brown liquid. It is an organosulfur compound with one sulfur bonded to pair of methyl, and its name is thioacetol. It is considered to be the most smelliest organic compound. In 1889, an attempt to distill the chemical was made in the German city of Freiburg, but it causes nausea, vomiting, and unconsciousness in that area because it was near to the laboratory. So the whole city was sent to the safe place from this danger. Dun, dun, dun. Even you can smell a drop of it from a half kilometer. British chemists describe the smell as fearful.